You've seen the headlines. I've reported on it.
Well, Jake, that teen in custody is just 16 years old.
Kids committing violent crimes.
Our top story this morning, more gun violence at a Seattle school.
I got 5.
Law enforcement experts across our region say the trend has...
Buhan agad ang mga batang ito. Target nila ang gaya nitong truck, dudukutin ng baterya habang nag-aalok ng basahan sa driver ang isa sa kanila nang bumaba ang driver.
Kids as young as 12 and 13-year-old committing these crimes.
Renton Police Chief John Schultz says his city's stunned by the increase of juvenile crime.
Good day to all of you. I am Jandarica Ramos from BS Screen 3C in Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa. Today, we talk about the Republic Act 9344, or also known as Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006 from the Philippines, and the United States Juvenile Delinquency Prevention Act, or JJDPA. Similarities: focus on rehabilitation. Both law prioritize rehabilitation and interrogative of juvenile over punishment. RA 9344 emphasize diversion program and restorative justice, while the JJDPA promote the use of community-based intervention and alternative to detention. Separation from adult offenders. Both law mandate the separation of juvenile from adult offenders to ensure they are not exposed to further criminal influence while in the detention. Diversion program. Both legalization advocate for diversion program to keep juvenile out from formal judicial proceeding, emphasizing non-penal approaches such as counseling, community service, or education. Right for the children. Both law uphold the right of juvenile consistent with the international norms such as United Nations Convention of the Rights of the Children, focus on the best interest of the child. Role of the community and the family. Both systems recognize the importance of involving the community and the family in addressing juvenile delinquency. RA 9344 and JJDPA encourage family-based intervention and community program. Differences: age of criminal responsibilities. RA 9344 Philippines set as a minimum age of criminal responsibilities MACR at 15 years old, amended to 12 years old under RA 10630. For serious crime, juvenile below this age are exempted from criminal liability but may undergo intervention program. JJDPA USA. The age of criminal responsibility is varied by the state, but it's typically 16 to 18 years old. Federal law do not prescribe a uniform MACR but influence state policy through finding incentives. Legal frameworks. RA 9344 focus on the rights-based approach with a strictly implement diversion and restorative justice mechanics, while the JJDPA provide a more flexible framework allowing states to create their own juvenile justice law while complying with the federal standards to receive findings. Scope of implements. RA 9344 apply nationwide with the uniform guidelines. Implementation rely heavily on local government unit and Juvenile Justice and Welfare Council, while JJDPA act as guidelines of state, providing financial incentives for compliance but leaving significant discretion to state to shape their juvenile justice system. Restorative Justice RA 9344 institutionalize restorative justice through a national framework. It includes program specific tailored for integration and healing, while DPA encountered common-based restorative justice practice but leaving the specific up to individual state.